Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to phookpeer Cypher. I'm not making this video to prove any strategy. I'm making this video because I have lost my entire trading capital. Yes, the money I saved over months, maybe years, the market took it away. And honestly, the pain wasn't just about losing money. The real pain was realizing that I thought I was smart. I thought I understood trading. I knew MSB. I was confident in BOS. Every chart looked like an opportunity. Every trade felt like this one will work. This one will recover everything. But the market doesn't break you slowly. It breaks you completely. One day I opened my account and looked at the balance. And in that moment, I realized something very clearly. The problem wasn't the market. The problem was me. I was overtrading. I wasn't accepting losses. After every loss, I became more aggressive. I believed the market would give it back. But the market doesn't give anything back. The market does only one thing. It tests your discipline. The day I lost all my capital, one truth became very clear to me. Trading is not a strategy game. Trading is a character game. If you're watching this and you're in a losing phase right now, remember this. Don't trade to prove the market wrong. Don't revenge trade. And respect your capital more than your ego. I'm not saying I'm a perfect trader. I'm only saying that I learned this lesson the hard way. If this video saves you from taking one bad trade, then maybe my loss wasn't for nothing. I'll keep sharing my real journey, the wins and the losses. If you want to see real trading, you can follow the channel.